Hi there. So we are in this new truck now because we didn't have ours because they have to look over it and make sure it's okay. And so we're in this white pickup truck. Like, I don't know if you can see that right there, but it's a white pickup truck, Ford F-250, white, Super Duty. I don't fucking know. Yeah. So, we are in this, and we have this till next Tuesday. I'm really happy because I lost 10 pounds. It said I was 140 pounds. I don't know if it was right or not. And I don't know. It's been like a month since then, and I've apparently lost 10 pounds, so. Good job, me. I don't know how accurate it is, but I lost some weight, so that's good. I think it's because lately my appetite has been smaller. Anyway, I'm gonna go. My dad got me an Eat More bar. Peace out.